Did you know that your stomach is constantly rebuilding itself? In fact, the lining of your stomach is replaced every 3 to 4 days. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this little fact might just save your life every single day. Your stomach is a powerful organ. It produces hydrochloric acid, one of the strongest acids found in nature. This acid is strong enough to dissolve metals like zinc and can even burn through wood. Imagine something that powerful sitting inside your body right now. So here's the real question. Why doesn't this acid burn a hole right through your stomach? The answer lies in a special protective layer, the stomach lining. This lining is coated with mucus and bicarbonate, creating a shield between the acid and the stomach tissue. Without it, your stomach would literally start digesting itself. But there's a twist. This lining doesn't last forever. Every day, the acid slowly damages and wears it down. That's why your body has a brilliant survival strategy. It replaces the stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. This constant renewal keeps your stomach safe and functioning, no matter how strong the acid inside island. If this process stops or weakens, the stomach lining can get damaged, leading to ulcers, pain, or dangerous infections. That's why this cycle of renewal is one of the body's most important defense mechanisms. Think about it. Your stomach is basically regenerating like a superhero. While some creatures can regrow tails or limbs, your body is secretly regrowing its stomach lining multiple times a week, and you don't even notice it. So the next time you eat your favorite spicy food, remember, your stomach is tougher than you think, constantly renewing itself to protect you. Amazing, isn't it? If you enjoyed this fact, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tale and Truth for more mind-blowing secrets about your body and the universe.